Now, coming to the next program. Here I am going to use one logic. Please tell me, use your entire logic. Okay. You can use your entire brain, entire logic, and please let me know how can what output will come. Sorry, what output will we get in the front panel object? In the front panel object, what output I will get? Now, please tell me, sir, what output will get if I will run the program. What output should come?
सर यहाँ पे इंडिकेटर दिया है या कंट्रोल दिया है?
It is numeric control. If I will
Okay.
run the program, so what output I will get?
Control will not show any output. No, it requires input.
Here I am giving the data value 0. After
Okay.
processing, I am getting the output 2.
Okay.
If I will give the data 1, so after processing, I will get the output 3. But what is the main possibility? If it will take the value 0, so it should 0 plus 2 is equal 0 plus 2, then 2 multiplied by 4, 8. Output should 8. But are we able to achieve that one? Are we able to achieve that particular function?
No. Because it is not following the sequential work.
But our logic is perfect. Our logic is perfect now. This is a race condition. You cannot determine what output will come here. Even your logic is perfectly. First, it will generate 0 plus 2. 2 should come here. Then after then 2 multiply with 4 and last output should come 8. We are expecting, but we are not following. But here it's our system don't follow any data depend. Here there are no data dependencies are available. And a second thing, in this program we cannot we are not using any strict sequential structure, so we cannot find, or we will not find a specific output or the desired output. Our logic is complete, still will not get an output. Why? Because this function is completely and entirely about the data, uh, race cases of race condition. What is the race condition? Excessive use of a excessive uses of a local variable. You can read you can read this local variable from n number of places. You can read this local variable from n number of places. Okay, you can read this local variable from n number of places, but you cannot write any controller more than one time. We can only write any indicator only once, but we can read any control n number of times. Now, if there is a one program and there is one indicator, there is an indicator. I want to change the name. Look at here. There are two cases, two controls. Hot temp and normal temp. Hot temp, normal temp. Two cases are there. Just suppose it. Right click, compare. If number is greater than equal to 30 degree, 30 degree. Okay. In that case, I can pass a single data. Clear? But control B. And here also I want to display this input value. But as I told you day before yesterday, I want to change something. Now I want to change the nomenclature. Here, right click here, right click, close the label, open the caption, open the caption. Now caption is here. Right click, come here, come into the property node, caption ID, caption visible, caption palette, caption ID, class name, honor, VI. Okay, text. Are you able to see the text? Right? Text is here. Change to right. Run. Normal temperature 29 degrees centigrade. Normal temperature 30-degree hot temperature. And now you can change your label or your caption, okay, using this program, because programmatically we cannot change. That's why we are targeting the internal property of that particular controls. That's why we are using the control nodes. Hmm. That's why we are using the control loop. Now, right click, color, create constant, create constant, delete this one. Hmm. Look at here. Run. Okay. White.
बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज हो गया सर. बैकग्राउंड और फॉन्ट दोनों चेंज हो गया था.
Run. Run. Okay. Hmm. Sir, property nodes. These are so there are so many property nodes which you want you can use. If you want to make, if you want to make a question paper, or you want to give any control based on your requirement, so you can use property nodes various places. Okay, property node, and you can change it. If there is a number, how can I change it? How can I change this number into the? How can I change this number into boolean? Sorry, into the binary. There is one way. Number to array, boolean array. Then come here. Okay. After that, this is a one way, right? And there is another way. Now let's see. Let's check this example. These are some. Okay. I'm going to change the representations. You wait. Okay. Run the program. Getting my point? But can I take one more indicator here? Can I change the representation? I8, I8. Let's try to come into the property node. Hmm. Right click, property node, properties. Open the property. Data type, display. Come with data type. Add option. Binary, no. Data display, types. Data format, type. Then we have various. Right click, come here, property node, display format. Okay, format. Change all to right. Create, control, control, constant. Okay, it will not work. No issue. Remove this one. Come here, format, binary, binary. Place directly and make a connection like. Clear?
Sir, which method should we do? Should we try to use more nodes, property nodes, or should we try to do it programmatically? Which is a better practice?
If you can able to achieve your option, if you are able to achieve by using this method, if you are able to achieve the changes using this method, so go with this. You want to fix it, you want to fix any parameter, sorry, any property, so use these properties. But you want to make it dynamic, you want to make it dynamic, so then come into the particular parameters, like as I shown yes, okay, in the last example. Just a second. Okay, not okay. Okay, okay, and not okay. What I was taken here, I was try to write something dynamically. Just a second. It's the particular number should equal to n zero, right? Here I'm using dynamic concepts. I want to change. If you are limiting yourself till only this, then you have to go. Okay, now right click, change the caption. Okay, right click, change here, local variable, sorry, properties, caption, text size, right click and change, create and write. In this way you can control it dynamically. But if you will come here and you will change the properties, so you can only change only once here. Delete, delete, run again. Okay, here you can, okay, if using this you cannot make it dynamic. Okay, you cannot make it dynamic. Here using this you can make it dynamic. I think you are getting your answer.
Yes, sir, I've understood. If I want any fixed properties, then by node we can change it.
Sure,
But if programmatically, if I want some changes to be reflected depending on the state of the output, then it should be programmatically.
sure, sir. Now let's go more ahead. Now right click, change to array, negative number, 0, lower positive number, HIGH higher positive number, E- ex, exceeding number. Clear? Let's remove all the things. Control B. Now right click, come here and make some range. You can come here. Okay, and make some range. And how can you make that particular range? Okay, positive number, 0, lower number, sorry, lower number, higher number, exceeding. We have this. Please tell me. Come here, take a case structure, make a connection of this. Clear? Right click, take a case structure, place here. Don't take a case structure, just take this one. Just a second. The particular number is less than 0. 0 to 10. Next, 11 to 27. Here, take a number there.
Constant.
Constant.
10. No, constant. 127.
128. Let's take.
120.
Okay, let's take 128. Okay, 128 will not take. No issue. 128. If number is equal or greater than 128, then again same logic. It's exceeding. There you will face one problem and try to solve this problem at your home. Now remove all the parameters. Control B. Make a connection like this. Okay, run 0, negative 0, lower number, lower number, lower number, lower number, higher number, higher number, higher number. Suppose if I will change it I16 and 128, now it will be fine, right? Now you will get 127, 128, exceeding, exceeding the range, exceeding the range. Okay, but here more than this number again is going to the default, because here I haven't written anything. But we are easily able to achieve our things. Okay, so for more than this particular thing, you can now here you can come here to give this example. I don't want my system should go over than this number, so I just want 128. Clear? If you don't want to do that things, come here, come into the block diagram, remove this one, remove this one, remove this wire, write it 127. A particular number is greater than, yes, less than. Let's try to find this solution. Now it's working. Clear?